Try the tray.
Cooter wants some chickens for supper.
Oh, I'm done. I gotta go work on my rabbit.
Here, put the rabbit up on the, the rabbit. You got me saying rabbit because you said rabbit yesterday. Well, there's our pen. We got to close it in because when we putting them up at night and these smaller. There's my rooster. There's Morgan's rooster. Morgan became friends with him. We got 6 chickens total. 2 roosters and 4 hens.
Hey, buddy.
No, you stay back, Cooter. You don't eat my chickens.
Pizza got off today.
Uh-oh.
See? He stays on. He don't want to come on. Buddy. Come on, eat. You want to eat? No? Guess not. You want some? No.
Well, that's pretty cool, though. I mean, he's on your shoulders.
Hey,
He's all right. I'll shovel it over there.
Hey, come on.
Over there's the tin, the roof.
Oh, God.
Me and Morgan built all this, didn't we, Morgan? Got the 4 posts. Got the tin metal, keep the rain on. We got the cage. We got that off the junk removal. That made it into a box.
Look.
Put the box. Well, that's cool. Let me clean it. Mala, she's crazy. She wants to kill the chickens. Well, we're gonna put them up at night, right? Or when we get done with them? When I came up here, they were sleeping on the broomstick.
Yep, that's called.
And then these 2 were way up here on the toolbox right there, and the rooster, my rooster, was on the ground. So we gotta be careful. We need to put them up. Cooter, don't get my chickens. Well, this is a chicken pen. Still got a bunch of work to do, but
Peter, get out of here. Get out of here.
I'll try to go back to get a. Well, chickens are fun. Morgan enjoys it. Uh-oh, little Mandy.
Mandy got off?
You gotta watch her. All right, chicken pen. Hey, Mandy. Don't get in my chicken. Come here, Mandy, look. Mandy, come here. Come here. See the chickens?
Hey. Hey.
Uh-oh. Someone noticing the... I'll get it. Huh?